Welcome back to this channel. This is what we are looking at today. General expression of quadratic equation is given as this: ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0. And if you can still remember, I have dropped it sometimes ago on this channel how to use completing the square method to get this formula, which is general formula for quadratic equation. But today, what we really want to look at is there is this aspect of quadratic equation that at times they will ask us to find what is the product and sum of roots of a given expression. How do we now prove? Why do we used to call it that the product of the roots will give us c over a, and the sum of the roots will give us minus b over a? That's what we want to prove today. Solution: we have product of roots. Simply means, don't forget, when we use the completed square method to find this quadratic formula, we said that plus or minus. That means we can break this x, the value for this expression, we can break it into two in this format: minus b plus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Or let's say this is the first root, and the second root, which is beta, is minus b minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So these are the two roots of this given expression using completing the square method. Product of roots, what is it going to give us? We just multiply these roots together. So we have minus b plus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a multiplied by minus b minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And if we multiply this, what are we going to have? That means we are going to multiply the denominator and the numerator. So we have minus b plus square root of b squared minus 4ac multiplied by minus b minus square root of b squared minus 4ac, then divided by 2 times 2 is going to give us 4. A times a is going to give us a squared. So let's open this bracket. What are we going to have? We have minus b multiplied by minus b is going to give us positive b squared. So we have b squared minus b multiplied by this. This minus, this minus, it's going to give us plus, then b this. So we have plus b square root of b squared minus 4ac. Then after that, we use this to multiply this. We are going to have minus b square root of b squared minus 4ac. Then the last one, which is this, to multiply this, plus multiplied by minus, is going to give us minus. So we have minus, open bracket, b squared minus 4ac, 4a squared. Don't forget, why don't I have this square root again? If you can still remember, there's this recent video I dropped, which is whenever you multiply the same number that is having square root, that is, if you have square root of a multiplied by square root of a, that is understood, it's going to give you square root of a squared, and this we always cancel this, so we will be left with a. That is why we have it b squared minus 4ac. So from this place, what are we going to have? We are going to have this cancel this, so we are left with b squared minus into bracket b squared minus 4ac, then divided by 4a squared. Let's open this bracket with this negative sign that is here. So we have b squared minus b squared plus 4ac. This cancel this. Don't forget your denominator, a squared. From this place, we have 4ac divided by 4a squared. So this 4 cancel this. This a will cancel 1 out of this square root. A squared is a multiplied by a. So that a will cancel 1a. It will remain 1a. So we have this to be. We are left with c of a, then divided by a. Now let's quickly look at the sum of the root. We have it will be this. So we are still making use of these two roots that we have, plus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a, then plus, don't forget, we have negative here, so we have negative b negative square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. From this place, what is our LCM? 2a. So if you pick your 2a like this, just add the ones at the top. So we have minus b plus square root of b squared minus 4ac plus, don't forget, put it in bracket because of this minus that we are having. 4a, okay, b squared minus 4ac. So then close the bracket. We are adding, we are not multiplying again. Let's use this positive to open this bracket to see what we are going to have. So we have minus b plus square root of b squared minus 4ac. Then we have minus b, we have minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now if you check this very well, we have this and we have this, they cancel each other. So from there we are left with this minus b, this minus b, it's going to give us minus 2b. So we have minus 2b divided by 2a. If this cancels this, we are going to have minus b over a. So that is where we have sum of roots. We make use of minus b over a. The product of roots we make use of c over a. Thank you very much.